never felt before.
Hello?
Hello, Jen. How are you?
Welcome
Nice
to
to
my
meet
house.
you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. Yeah, Emmanuel, you are at my home, and then I have many questions.
Okay, yes, I'm pleasure to
My
answer.
first question is, what's your name?
My name is Arturo Emanuel Guerra y Torres, but since many years ago, my friends and college of the high school and work used to call me Emanuel, so I decided to just call me Emanuel Iturres.
Okay.
Yeah, Iturres is my favorite surname, my favorite last name, and it becomes of my grandfather, so I decided to call me Emanuel Iturres. Yes.
Okay.
But it's my real name.
Yeah, it's your real name.
Yes.
And where are you from, Emmanuel?
I'm from Córdoba, Argentina. It's in the south of South America. I come from Córdoba. Yes, it's in the center.
Yes. So, what's the project about?
The project is about to travel of the largest number of countries in the world in 2 years. I have 2 years to go around the world. Go around the world hitchhiking all the way. I took a plane from Córdoba, Argentina to Rome, Italy. That's the only plane I want to take. Unless, of course, the plane to come back home one day. And the idea is to go around the world in 2 years, to travel through many countries and hitchhiking all the way, hitchhiking cars, trucks, if I can hitchhike boats too, and with $5 per day.
$5 per day.
That's my budget. Yeah, it's important,
Okay.
traveling through 2 years, all the countries in the world.
And $5.
$5 per day. Yes.
Okay. What means Hitch Packing Thumb?
Hitch Packing Thumb. Well, Hitch Packing Thumb is 3 words that means a lot to me. When I start the project, I've been deciding a logo. So I picked Hitch Packing Thumb. Hitch is the first word of hitchhiking, like auto-stop. Packing is when you pack all your stuff you need for traveling.
Yes.
And thumb is the finger. Yeah, it's the finger how you hitchhike.
Yes. What means the secret journey of Hola?
Why? Well, that's the other name. Like Hitch Packing Thumb is the logo, is my brand of traveling,
Yes.
and the secret journey of Rulo is the title of the trip. Why secret and why Rulo? Well, first of all, Rulo is my hair because I have curly hair. So in my friends and my work partners, they call me Rulo. And the secret, why secret? Because I never told anybody, just my mom, because she has knew about my future and what I want to do, but no one else. Because it's something I have to say for myself. That you have to keep something with yourself to make it through one day.
Why have you never traveled?
Well, I never traveled because my family can't. My mother used to work a lot. Nowadays, she works a lot. She puts some effort in her life and my life too, and things to the house to live better and to make me live better. And I always want to travel. And then when I quit the high school, I started studying in the college. And then thinking what I want to do, because all the careers in college I don't like it. Well, I said I like languages, and I started studying English. And after a few years of studying English, I decided that I want to make something with it. I want to improve my English. So I said I'm gonna travel the Caribe. That was the first idea. Yeah. And then I thought maybe if I work much more. And if I try to improve a little bit more in Argentina my English, study how to hitchhike, I think I should change my schedule of trip and go to Europe. It has a lot of countries. So I decided to change my plans. And that's how I start. I start to read books, I start to read blogs about trips, I start to watch movies. And little by little, I start to make it true.
Emmanuel, how long did it take to schedule the trip?
To schedule the trip? Well, 3 years and a half.
Yeah.
In which I work a lot. I help my mom. I help in my house. I study all about how to stop. I study the cultures a little bit. During these 3 years and a half, I dream a lot. Listen music, or like I told you, reading books. Yeah. I used to dream a lot. Me on the road, me like this, friends of there.
What do you want to show in your videos?
In Hitch Packing Thumb, in the YouTube channel, and in my Instagram course too, I want to show that you can travel around the world with almost no money. But the most important thing, that you can travel and meet people, and meet different cultures, and that you can travel hitchhiking, because people used to think, no, hitchhiking is an old story, you can't do that now, but it's possible, it's possible. What else I want to show in my videos? I want to show that you can travel to different cities or villages in a country that it's not so touristic, but it's beautiful. That has beautiful places, beautiful people. Spend your time in your trip, and it's beautiful and magnificent.
Ah yes, so
yes.
it's a nice trip.
Right.